I was in dire need of housing. I was previously homeless. I just started a new job. Everything was going good. They denied me and basically was like, we don't care where you were, you can't get an apartment here. Legal Action Center, they went above and beyond. They not only got the information removed, they cleared up some defects that was also involved. And the issue with the apartment, the Legal Action Center represented me with a case to make sure that this doesn't happen to anyone else. I would recommend the Legal Action Center to anyone that's in need of assistance legally for discrimination, housing, work, and formerly incarcerated. They're there not only to support you, but to assist you along your journey.